Uh, so, hello, my lovely students. How are you? So, please, all of you, mention your names in the chat box. Quick. So, let us see who all have joined the class. Okay, Ayushi, Viraj, Kriti, Ritika. Very good. Okay. So, welcome all to Me and Math live session today. So, we have super exciting questions on the topic that is vectors in HCF. Okay, Divyanshi is there. Good afternoon. Janesha is there. Very good afternoon. Kriti. Okay, let's just wait for 1 minute. Let others also join. Very good afternoon. So, are you all excited to start the questions of vectors and HCF? Please type yes in the chat box. Quick. Anish, Zunaira, good afternoon. And also, please type in the chat box that all of you are comfortable in English or Hindi so that I can start accordingly. Students, yes. Very good afternoon, Vedant. Ayushi. Okay. So let's get started with the questions now. And also, one more thing. Whenever you will write the option for the question, right? Write with your name. Like Zunaira is the name. So Zunaira along with the option which you want that is correct. Okay, so that I can know whoever is writing the answer because your names are not matching with the ID, right? Yeah, I'll continue with the English, Ritika. Okay, fine. Okay, so uh, so all please write your name along with the option which you find it correct. Okay, so let's get started with the questions now. Your first question is there. Okay, so the first question is which of the following options hold? Statement 1 is if the HCF of two numbers is one of the number, then the LCM is the other number. Statement 2, the LCM of two numbers is greater than the larger of the numbers. So options are statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. Option B, statement 1 is false and statement 2 is true. Option C, both the statements are true. Option D, both the statements are false. Quick, please write the answer in the chat box. Have you understood the question, students? Have you understood the question, students? Please write yes or no in the chat box so that I can know who all have understood it. Okay, Ritika is going with option A, Zunaira B. Okay, let's see. Quick, let's see who gives the right answer first. Ayushi A, okay. Priya with B. Is it Priya? Oh, Vedant with A. Zunaira, okay, yes. Okay, 1 second. Okay. Divyanshi with A, okay. Okay, Kriti. Is this Kriti and Priya as ID? Okay, okay, fine. Okay. So mostly I'm getting the answers as A. Okay, and Zunaira is answering B. Okay, let's check out who's correct answer. Okay. So what is the statement one? If the HCF of two numbers is one of the number, then the LCM is the other number. What does this mean? Like we know that we have one formula, right? Like product of two numbers is equals to what? Yes, yes, it's Kriti. So product of two numbers is what? HCF times LCM, right? So if HCF times LCM is HCF times LCM is number 1 multiply with the number 2. So if suppose here HCF is the number 1, so then LCM should be number 2. So then LCM will be the other number. So we can say that statement 1 is true, right? So what about the statement 2? The LCM of two numbers is greater than the larger of the numbers. What does this mean? LCM of two numbers is greater than larger of the two numbers. Is it true? So second statement is not true. Second statement is false. Why? Because LCM is what? Either equal to or greater than larger of the numbers. Here, equal to is missing in the statement. So, the statement is not correct. So, we have this first option correct. Let me give the example of statement 2 also. Suppose I have the 2 and 3, right? 2 and 3. The LCM of 2 and 3 will be what? LCM of 2 and 3 will be students. LCM of 2 and 3. LCM of 2 and 3 will be. Okay, so write the multiples of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, then 12. Okay, write up to 12. So, what is the LCM? Least common multiple. So, what we'll see here, which are common multiples over here? 6 and 6, 12 and 12. But which is least over here? 6. So, LCM will be 6. So, 6 is what? LCM is greater than the given numbers, right? And if I suppose I have the means 4 and 12, if I have these two numbers, so what will the LCM of 4 and 12? Multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, right? And the multiples of 12, if I write 12, 24, 36. Okay, suppose I write up to these things. What is the common multiple over here? 12, right? So 12 is the LCM over here. Least common multiple is 12 over here, and 12 is what? One of these numbers equal to one of these numbers. We have 4 and 12, and the LCM is also 12. So the statement 2 is not correct, incorrect. So the statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. So we are going with the option A. So Ritika was the first answering this question. So Ritika got the option A. So this Zunaira, you got the answer B. That's wrong. And all others Got the answer A. Very good. Correct. Okay. So the correct option is A. Very good. Who all gave the right answer? Okay. Next question. Select the incorrect statement. Yeah, Janesha also correct answer A. Okay, very good. Select the incorrect statement. So we have the four statements. The greatest number that exactly divides 63 and 84 is 21. A factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Option C, the smallest number that is exactly divisible by 12, 14, 18, 22 is 2. Option D, a number divisible by two co-prime numbers is divisible by their product also. Okay, so please select the incorrect statement out of these. First of all, try yourself, then I'll tell you. Quick, which statement do you think is incorrect here? Okay, Ritika is going with the option B. Okay, Vedant is option A. Zunaira with A. Okay, you have to find incorrect statement. Incorrect, which is not correct out of these. Okay, Vedant with A. Zunaira with A. Ritika also going with A. And just Sumon, okay, Ayushi. Ayushi with the option A. Okay. Next, Satish. Yes, with the option. Write the answer. Option A with what's her name, guys? Okay, Divyanshi. Sorry, Divyanshi with the A. Satish with the A. Okay, all of you think the option A is incorrect. Okay. Okay, let's check. So the first option is the greatest number that exactly divides 63 and 84 is 21. So the greatest number that exactly divides 63 and 84 is 21. What does this mean? Greatest number means HCF, highest common factor. So highest common factor of 63 and 84 is 21. Okay, Zunaira is going with the option C. Okay. Okay, so HCF exactly divides 63 and 84 is 21. So let's check the first option. How to check the HCF? By prime factorization, can we do? Okay, first of all, doing the prime factorization of 63. On the table of 3, 3 times 7, 21. 7 times 1, 7. Then 84, 2 times for 2 times 42 is what 84 and 2 times 21 42, 3 times 7 and 7 times 1 7. So we are getting here for the 63 The factors we got 3 times 3 times 7, 3 times 3 times 7, and 84 we are getting 2 times 2 times 3 times 7. So what are common here? One is this 3 and other is this 7. So we have 3 times 7 is what? 21. So we are getting this statement is correct. This is not incorrect. Yes. Yeah, Zunaira with the answer C. Now Preeti Garg is with answer A. Vedant with C. And Usha also with A. Okay, let's find out. Okay, so all of you are clear with the option first. This is the correct statement over here. So let's see the next statement. A factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. So a factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. What does this mean? Okay, Satish is also going with the option C now. Okay, good. A factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Means, suppose I have the 16, okay, and the factor of the 16, I have 4, and all obviously 16 is divisible by 4 on 4, so this is also correct. Means any factor of a number is the exact divisor of that number. So option B is also correct statement over here. Let's go with option C. The smallest number that is exactly divisible by 12, 14, 18, 22 is 2. Is it correct? No. Why? Because 2 is the smallest number over here. So 2 is not coming on any of these tables, right? 12, 14, 18, 22. So this option is incorrect over here. So option D, a number divisible by two co-prime numbers is divisible by their product also. So what does this mean here? So first of all, what are co-prime numbers? Type in the chat box, what are co-prime numbers? Zunaira, yeah, it is exactly divisible by number. Okay, yes. So what are co-prime numbers? So the co-prime numbers are numbers which do not have any common factor other than 1. Okay, so let's take an example of 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are the co-prime numbers, and if any number is divisible by 2 and 3, so that number will also be divisible by the product. Product means multiplication of this 2 and 3 is what? 2 times 3 is what? 6. So that number should be divisible by 6 also. So this statement is also correct. So, yeah, Zunaira, very good, having only one common factor. Yes. So the correct option is C. Very good, Zunaira was the first to give this correct answer. Very good, Zunaira. So the option C is correct. Let's find out with the next question who will give the correct answer first. Okay. Next, if the product of two numbers is 1728 and their HCF is 12. Then their LCM is quick. Write the answer in the chat box. Okay, Ritika is saying option C. Okay, next. Okay, Priti is saying 24. 24. What 24? Okay, Priti is going with option B. Okay, good. Ritika is also saying now B. Okay. Other students, please reply. Quick. Preeti is going with option B. Now Ritika is going with the B. Next. Let's see who's next. Okay, Krishav. Okay. Krishav is going with the option B. Yeah, Ritika is also going with B. Ayushi, B. Okay. Okay. Any other students? Please answer. Zunaira, Divyanshi, Vedant. Yeah, where are your answers? Zunaira is going with C. Okay. Okay. So let's find out what's the answer over here. Let's see who gave the right answer. Okay. Divyanshi is going with the C. Janesha with B. Okay. Krisha with B. Okay. So let's see. If the product of two numbers is 1728 and their HCF is 12, then their LCM will be what? So we know that the formula is product of two numbers, product of two numbers is equals to what? HCF times LCM, right? And the product is given as 1728. HCF is given as 12 and times LCM. Okay, so 1728 divided by 12 is giving us LCM. So what will be the answer over here solving these things? Suppose first we are doing with on the table of 2. Here we'll get 864. On the table of again 2. 2 times 3 6. 2 times 4 3 and 2. Again on the now on the table of 3, 3 times 1, and here what we are getting 1 4 4. So we are getting the LCM as 144. So which is the option with 144? Option B. Yeah. So Krishav is first here in this question. Krishav has given the correct answers at first. Very good, Krishav. Okay. So in every question, every different student is giving the correct answer. Very good. Maintain this same competitive spirit, students. Okay. Let's move forward to the next question. So, if x is sixth multiple of 3 and y is fourth multiple of 3, then the LCM of x and y is. Write the answer in the chat box. If x is the sixth multiple of 3 and y is the fourth multiple of 3, then the LCM of x and y is. Okay, Krisha with the option D, Vedant with the option A, Krishav D, okay, Ritika also D, okay, other Vedant with the D, with, yeah, Ayushi with the B option, Zunaira with the A, Kriti with the option D, Ayushi D, Okay. Okay. So let's find out who gave the correct answer. So if they say x is the sixth multiple of 3, first of all, let's write the multiples of 3. Multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Okay. So let's see. X is the sixth multiple of 3. Sixth multiple means this is the first multiple, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Sixth is the this one. So this is what X over here, right? X is the sixth multiple of 3. And Y is the fourth multiple of 3. Fourth multiple means one, two, three, four. Fourth multiple is this one. So this is what we have y over here. So we have to find the LCM of x and y. X and y means LCM of 12 and 18. LCM of 12 and 18 would be, students, how to find the LCM? If we write 12 and 18 on the table of 2, okay, then on the table of again 2, 9 is not divisible by 2, 9 will be as it is. Again on the table of 3 now, 3 times 1, 3 times 3, 9, and now 3, again 3, 1 and 1. So what will be the LCM? 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. So what you will get the answer? Quick. 36. Very good. Which is the option with the 36? Option A. Yeah. So Zunaira was correct. Zunaira gave the correct answer. Very good, Zunaira. Vedant also with the option A. Good. Very good. Janesha also with the option A. So first was Zunaira in this question. Very good. Okay. Let's move to the next question now. Okay. So find the greatest number which divides 36 and 84, leaving no remainder in each case. Next question. Quick. Let's see who will come first in this question now with the correct answer. Find the greatest number which divides 36 and 84, leaving no remainder in each case. Okay, I'm getting the answers. Ritika, Vedant with A. Okay. Ayushi A. Krisha with B. Okay, now Krisha with the option D. Okay. Next, Ayushi with the option C. Okay. Please write your name, Usha Sharma. Student name, please. Okay, Ritika with the option A. Divyanshi A. Vedant also saying A. Okay, next. Yes, quick. Okay, so let's find out who gave the correct answer. Find the greatest number which divides 36 and 84, leaving no remainder in each case. What does this mean? Greatest number means we have to find the HCF. So HCF of 36 and 84 will be Satish, Hindi, Janesha with the option C. Okay. ओके हिंदी सो इस क्वेश्चन में हमें क्या करना है हमें एचसीएफ फाइंड करना है 36 और 84 का जिसमें कोई भी रिमाइंडर ना बचे ठीक है तो क्या करेंगे हम इसको 36 को और 84 का हमें एचसीएफ निकालना है so we are going with the prime factorization method first of all on the table of 2 what will come 18 here 2 times 9 3 times 3 and 3 times 1. Now with 84, again on the table of 2. Okay, Anish. Okay, okay. So 2, 21, 3 times 7, 7 times 1. So we are getting here factors of 36 what? 36 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 and 84 we are getting 2 times 2 times 3 times 7 okay okay Anish is saying with the option A okay so what are common factors over here one is this 2 one is this 2 one is this 2 okay another this 2 okay again next we have this 3 okay so these are common factors so what will be the answer over here 2 times 2 4 4 times 3 is what 4 times 3 is what 12 so the answer correct answer is C very good so I got the first correct answer of Ayushi. Ayushi, very good. Ayushi was correct in this question. And she gave the first answer. Okay, very good, Ayushi, and very good other students also. But Ayushi was correct. Okay, let's find out in the next question. Okay, next, now you have to say which of the following statements is true. The first statement is the smallest number that can be divided by the given numbers without leaving any remainder is called the lowest common multiple. The greatest number which divides two or more numbers exactly without leaving any remainder is called the highest common factor. So, out of these, which statements is true? Okay, Zunaira is saying the option D. Okay, no statement is correct. Okay, next, next, quick. Okay, Anish is saying 12. What is 12 over here, Anish? Okay, now Zunaira is going with option C. Okay, Ritika is saying option B. Divyanshi is saying option B. Krisha is saying option D. Okay, next. Yes, next. Okay, so let's see who's correct answer. First statement is smallest number that can be divided by the given numbers without leaving. Okay, Ayushi is saying B. Okay, without leaving any remainder is called the lowest common multiple. Yes, it's correct. Why? Its lowest common multiple means, yeah, we are seeing the smallest number that is dividing the two numbers, that is without leaving any remainder, is called the lowest common multiple. It is correct. Yeah, Janesha is also is going C. And let's see option two. The greatest number which divides two or more numbers exactly without leaving any remainder is called the highest common factor. So this statement is also true. Why? In the highest common factor, we always see the greatest number, that is dividing two or more numbers exactly without leaving any remainder, is called highest common factor. So basically, we can say the definitions of both are given, HCF and LCM. So these are correct. So both the statements are correct. So we are right with the option number C. So I got the correct answer from Zunaira, Ayushi, Janesha. Yeah. Only three students corrected this answer, and Zunaira was the first to answer this question. So very well done, Zunaira. Janesha also gave the correct answer, Ayushi. Okay, let's move to the next question. Let's see which student is the next. Rohan asked a question to Shruti. Multiply the second multiple of 12 by the third multiple of 8. Help her in solving the question and finding the correct result. Okay, start with the answers. Rohan asked the question to Shruti. Multiply the second multiple of 12 by the third multiple of 8. So help her in solving the question and finding the correct result. Okay, okay, I'm getting the answers. Krishav is saying option B. Ayushi is saying B. Ritika is also going with B. Okay, next. Vedant is saying option A. Okay, next. Janesha is going with option D. Okay, I got the answers from Ritika, B, Krishav, B, Ayushi, also B, Vedant with option A, Janesha with option D. Next, Zunaira, Kriti, Divyanshi, quick. Okay, so let's find out whose answer is correct. Okay, so multiply the second multiple of 12. So first of all, let's write the multiples. Multiples of 12. 12, 24. So second multiple of 12 will be 24. And third multiple of 8. Write the multiples of 8. 8, 16. Next, students, please okay. Anish is going with the option D. Vedant also D. And Satish with option C. Okay. 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 So third multiple of 8. 8 first, second, third multiple is 24. Okay. Or you can write, means second multiple of 12, you can multiply the with the 2. We'll get 24. Third multiple of 8, you can find like if they are asking the third multiple, so multiply 8 with the 3. You'll get 24. This is another way. Okay. So 24, they are saying that multiply this number and this number. So 24 times 24, what you'll get? 24 times 24. Okay, Astish is going with option C. Divyanshi is saying D. Okay. Akash Chauhan. Student name is Akash. Okay, and Anish is saying D. Okay. So 24 times 24 is what? When we'll multiply 24 with the 24, what we'll get? 4 times 4, 16. 9, 6. 9 plus 8, 17. 1 carry 4 plus 1, 5. So we are getting what? 576. That is option D. 576. So the option D is correct. So I got the correct answer from Janesha. Janesha was the first to answer correct. Very good, Janesha. Option D. I got Anish also gave the correct answer D. Vedant also gave the answer D. Divyanshi also with the D. Very good. Zunaisha with the answer 48, answer C. Ayushi says C. Ritika D. Okay. So Janesha was the first in this question. She gave the correct answer. Very good, Janesha. Okay, let's move to the next question now. Let's find out who's the next student who comes first. Very good question now. Find the sum of all the factors of 48 that are multiples of 6. Ayushi also D. Very good. Very good, students. Maintain this competitive spirit. Quick. So find the sum of all the factors of 48 that are multiples of 6. Okay, I'm getting the answers. Krishav is saying the option C. Kriti is also saying option C. Ritika is saying C. Satish is going with option C. Okay, next, next. Kriti is saying C, yes. Okay, next. Ayushi, C option. Okay. Kriti is also saying C. Ritika, C. Next. Vedant with option A. Kriti is option C. Okay, let's find out who gave the correct answer over here. So find the sum of all the factors of 48 that is multiples of 6. What does this mean here? So factors of 48 that should also come in the table of 6, right? So first of all, let's write the multiples of 6. Multiples of 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, right? And now if I write the factors of 48 out of these, means which are multiples of 6 out of these, which are the factors of 48? 6 is the factor of 48? Yes. 12 is the factor of 48? Yes. 18? No. 24, yes. 24 is the factor of 48, yes. 30, no. 36, no. 42, no. 48, yes. So 48 is also the factor of uh, itself, right? So we have this four factors of 48. Okay, Kriti is saying that 6 into 2 is 12, so add 1, so add 10, so it's equal to 120. No, no, Kriti, no, not like this. Okay, so find the sum of, we done this multiples of 6 and factors of 48, right? So we have to add this sum of all the factors of 48, which are multiples of 6. So 6 plus 12 plus 24 plus 48. What you will get? Adding all these factors, 48, 24, 12, and 6. Add this. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 4, yeah, 12. 12 plus 8, 12 plus 8, 20. 2, 2, 4, 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So we are getting the answer option A, that is 90. Okay. So I got the answer correct from first student who gave me answer correct. That was who was Vedant. Vedant with the option A. He was correct at first. Very good, Vedant. No, 120 is not the correct answer. Divyanshi also saying A. Very good. Janesha, very good. A option. Yes. So the correct answer over here is 90. So very good, Vedant. Vedant is first in this question. Okay. Ayushi is saying A. Anish, A. Okay. Ritika also saying A. Okay. Everything understood in this question? Okay. Let's move to the next question now. Let's find out who's the next person. Okay. So the next question over here is HCF and LCM of 12, 24, 32. Quick, very easy question. HCF of first of all HCF and then LCM means in every option we have first is HCF then LCM, HCF, LCM, HCF, LCM, HCF, LCM. Okay, so HCF and LCM of 12, 24, 32. First option is 196, option B 496, option C 6 and 108, option D 3 and 96. So what is the HCF and LCM of this? Quick. Okay, so Krishav is saying option C. Ayushi, Rohan. Rohan with the option A. Ayushi also with the option A. Okay, next. Krishav with the option D. Zunaira with the option B. Okay. Okay. So let's see. Ayushi saying A. Okay. Divyanshi is D. Okay, so let's see who's correct. Okay, Ritika is saying A option. Okay, let's see. HCF and LCM of these numbers. First of all, let's find the HCF. Okay, HCF would be How we'll find different prime factorization? First of all, 12, then we'll go for the 24, then we'll go for the 32. Okay? Okay, Janesha is saying option B. Ayushi is saying option C. Okay. Okay, so on the table of 2, 2 times 6. Again, then 2 times 3, 3 times 1. Next, 2 times 12, 2 times 6. So 2 times 3 and 3 times 1. Now, prime factorization of 12, sorry, 32 on the table of 2 will get 16. On the table of again 2, 8, 2 times 4, and 2 times 2, 2 times 1. Let's write the multiple this factors of this 12, 24, and 32. What all factors we have for 12? 2 times 2 times 3, and for 24 we are having 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. For 32, 2 times 2 times 2. How many times is 2? 5 times, right? Yeah. So what all common we have? One is this 2 we are having. Yes. Again, 1, 2 we have this common. Now, any other thing? No. So we are getting that HCF as 2 times 2 is 4. So which option having the HCF 4? Option B. Let's find out the LCM. Okay, let's check LCM also. Okay, I'm writing here. 12, 24, 32. Okay, let's check the LCM. 2 times 6, 2 times 12, 2 times 32 is what? 16. 2 times 3, 6, 8. Again on the table of 2, 3 as it is. There, what will come? 3, 4. Again on the table of 2, we are getting what? 2. Again on the table of 2. Now at last 3. So what all we got? 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Right? This is the thing we got now? Yeah. So 5 times 2 and 3. When you'll multiply this thing, what you'll get? You'll get 96. So the correct option is HCF is 4 and the LCM is 96. So I got the correct answer from Zunaira. Zunaira gave the first correct answer. Very good, Zunaira. Okay. Janesha also gave the correct answer. Next, Vedant also gave the correct answer. Krishav also gave the answer B. Ayushi also saying B. Okay, very good. But Zunaira was the first to give the correct answer. Very good, Zunaira. Okay. Next question. Wait. Okay. So the next question is sum of even factors of 96. Sum of even factors of 96. Sum of even factors of 96 is, type the answer in the chat box, students. Yes, Lunara is very excited. Ayushi with the answer B. Okay. Krishav is saying 100. Okay, option A. Okay. Ritika is saying option C. Okay. Okay, okay. Okay. So let's see whose correct answer. Okay. So let's write the factors of 96. 96 will be written as 1 times 96, right? Then it can be written as 2 times 48. Okay. 3 times 32, right? And then 4 times 24. Okay. Then 6 times 16, right? Then 8 times 12. I think that's it. So we are getting the factors as 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, 30, 32, 48, 96. So these are the factors we are getting of 96. But what all we have to find? Even factors. Even numbers are what? The numbers that are divisible by 2. So the numbers which are divisible by 2 out of these, we have the 2 over here, we have the 4 over here, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, 32, 48, 96. So we'll add all these numbers, what we'll get? After adding all these numbers, what we'll get? When we add this 96, 48, 32, 24, 16, 12, 8, 6, 4, and 2. When we'll add this, we'll get what? 248. Okay, so we have the option correct C. So Ritika is first in this question. Ritika got the correct answer C. Very good, Ritika. Very good, very good. Okay, so that's all from my side today. So we'll see you in the next session. Bye bye. Take care. Bye, students.
Hello everyone, can you hear me?